Aadhaar card seizure at TMC office. Hundreds of Aadhaar cards were recovered. There are visuals that have come to fore as well. That's a mega seizure from Bidhan Nagar TMC office. Let's go across to Ridhita, who's getting us more details. Ridhita, share more details. Why were there hundreds of such Aadhaar cards present in the TMC office?
Well, absolutely. You see that from the Bidhan Nagar area, the Bashanti Devi colony area of the 36 number ward, we have the locals have actually found out hundreds of Aadhaar cards that have been locked up from the council office, the local council office by the locals of the area, after which the Bidhan Nagar South Police went to that very area and they have seized these hundreds of Aadhaar cards. Now the linkage to this, who was linked behind it and whose Aadhaar card was this, are yet to be found, and the police is already ongoing on the inspection and interrogating people, the locals who have actually seized those Aadhaar, as to how did they get a clue of it and what has happened. They are trying to interrogate the locals out there. They are investigating into the matter of so many Aadhaar cards, because it is hundreds of Aadhaar cards that has been seized from the Bashanti Devi colony area in the 36 number ward of Bidhan Nagar, that you can understand. But as of now, who is it linked to, that is not clear. That is again due to the investigation process of the South Bidhan Nagar police.
All right. Thank you very much, Ridhita, for getting us the details. We're moving on. We have more breaking inputs lined up. Even as prayers have now begun at the Bhojshala complex in Dhar, the Congress has objected to Madhya Pradesh High Court on the Bhojshala complex. Congress calls High Court order on Bhojshala complex vague and says the ASI never actually found evidence of the presence of a temple, and this is just an attempt to stoke divide between Hindus and Muslims. Listen in.
मूर्ति हर हालत में लाई है। इसका पहले भी डॉक्टर शंकर दयाल शर्मा जी ने इस कोशिश की है, लेकिन यहाँ कोई प्रमाण एएसआई की मूर्ति में, एएसआई की इसकी भोजशाला में एएसआई की रिपोर्ट में कहीं इसका उल्लेख नहीं है। ये भी एक अध्ययन की बात है कि ये जब हिंदुस्तान में संकट है, आर्थिक संकट है, सामाजिक संकट है, इस संकट के समय ये फिर हिंदू मुसलमान की जो बात की जा रही है, ये उचित नहीं है।
And with that, we are slipping into another short break. There's a lot more lined up on the other side for you. Stay on with us.